morning to everyone. I'm here to present to you a study we did. It's a cross-sectional study performed from a survey, from a health and nutrition survey in the United States. My name is Melania Felix. I'm originally from Chile, and I'm coming from King's College London. We now know that dental caries is one of the most common chronic diseases during childhood. And most of the research about this disease has been focused in the proximal determinants, such as bacterial colonization, for example. How do the children acquire the bacteria they have in their mouth? The dietary patterns, like breastfeeding, for example, or bottle feeding, or the oral hygiene habits they have. The toothbrushing experience or the intake of fluoride. But other studies also postulate other different pathways, as explained in the models in the previous presentations, which explain why different groups of children express the disease differently among the population. Due to this, family dynamics has become more important in the literature. We can find studies focusing maternal education, for example, socioeconomic status, maternal age, or ethnicity, and maternal attitudes that have been recognized as an important fact or an important factor that can influence the development of caries in children. Unfortunately, we don't have too much information about maternal behaviors in relation to this problem. So the aim of our study was to assess the relationship between dental caries in children and the mother's health-related behaviors. We postulate that a mother that is not prone to take care of herself maybe won't be prone to take care of their children's oral health. The study we did is a secondary data analysis from the National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey, which is a nationally representative survey performed in the United States between the years 1988 and 1994. This survey is a national representative sample of a civilian, non-institutionalized population. It's a very comprehensive survey, which included data from social demographics, behavioral information, laboratory information, and also included a very comprehensive dental exam. In terms of our research, we used a subsample from this original survey by matching mothers with one of their children. Only mothers from 2 to 6 years were included in this analysis. And as I mentioned before, only one child from each mother was chosen in order not to repeat data from the mothers. We used two dependent variables. The main one was caries experience, defined as having any sign of decayed or filled teeth. And the second variable was the number of decayed and filled surfaces. The independent variables were the 7 selected health-related behaviors, which were maternal smoking, frequency of dental visits, consumption of fruits and vegetables, maternal exercise frequency, alcohol consumption, body mass index, and oral hygiene expressed by the amount of cavities. As behaviors tend to cluster among individuals, we created another variable, which was an aggregated behavioral variable. And we did this by dichotomizing these 7 health-related behaviors in healthy or unhealthy. We added them up in each individual, and we created this new variable which ranged from 0 to 7. Well, as part of the results, we can see in the descriptive analysis the percentage of children with caries experience in relation to maternal health-related behaviors. The blue bar you can see is the healthy behavior of the mother, and the red bar is the unhealthy behavior. We can see that there is a tendency to have high percentage of children with caries experience in the unhealthy behaviors. Using logistic regression analysis, we could create 3 models. First model was adjusted for children's sex and age. Second model was adjusted for children's sex, age, and ethnicity. And third model adjusted for children's sex, age, ethnicity, and maternal age and maternal education. We could find a significant association in smoking, BMI, and fruits and vegetable consumption, which they disappeared in the fully adjusted model. Also, we find strong association in dental visits, oral hygiene, and the behavioral score we created. Using negative binomial regression, we analyzed the same maternal health-related behaviors, but this time with the DFS. Fewer associations were found. We only found association with the BMI, which disappeared in the rest of the models. And dental visits, oral hygiene, and the behavioral score were significant in the whole 3 models. So, to sum up this information, we can say that maternal smoking, the consumption of fruits and vegetables, and the BMI were significantly associated, but disappeared in the fully adjusted model. The direct oral health-related behaviors were the strongest ones for children's caries experience and for DFS. Also, the behavioral score we constructed showed that maternal unhealthy behaviors, including behaviors not directly related to oral health, including behaviors not directly related to oral health, were also strongly associated with children's health. So these results I'm showing showed us that it's not just oral behaviors, the one that can be influenced, but also that maternal lifestyle, how the mother behaves, can have influence in caries in children. And this is important because understanding why some groups, as I mentioned in the introduction, why some groups develop caries differently will help us to create different health strategies.